have 3x plus 5 minus 2x plus 7. And I want to simplify this, so we're trying to make it smaller. What would you do to simplify? Yep.
Combine like terms.
Good. Collect like terms. Combine like terms. So how do you know what like terms are? Like terms must have the same variable and exponent. So which terms in this expression are alike? Which terms are like terms? Yep. 3x and good, negative 2x. We always include the sign with the term. So if I combine these, I'm going to take 3x, I'm going to subtract 2x, and are there any other terms here that are alike? Sylvia?
5 and 7.
5, positive 5, and positive 7, because they are just numbers by themselves, which is called a constant term. Remember that? So then we can take plus 5 and plus 7. We've grouped them together. Now I can add or subtract. So can I take 3x and subtract 2x? What's 3x take away 2x? 1x or just x? What's 5, positive 5 plus 7? Positive or negative? Positive 12. We've just simplified this expression, x plus 12. Okay? We have brackets. What do we have to do when there's a bracket? Yep?
Multiply.
We need to multiply. Good. So we're distributing. This is distributive property. We're going to multiply 3x by the first term, which is x. And then we're going to take 3x and we're going to multiply it by the second term, which is negative 4. Okay, so let's do the first one. What's 3x times x? That there's a 1 here, right? 1x is the same as just writing x. So I'm going to multiply the numerical part first. What's 3 times 1? 3. And then we need to multiply x times x, right? So I have x multiplied by x. Well, what happens when you're multiplying powers? Is x to the power of 1 times x to the power of 1 would be x to the power of, good. Okay? Then we're going to take 3x and multiply it by negative 4. Well, there's no variable there, so we're just going to multiply 3x, a positive multiplied by a negative would be negative 12x. We have to include the x. Are we done? Is that simplified? No? Why not? We are done because this term and this term are not alike. So we cannot simplify this anymore. That's it. We're done. Okay, so we have 3 multiplied by x plus 2. What's the first line? What do we need to do here? I need to multiply 3 by what? By x, and then 3 times. So what's the first line? Yep. 3x plus 6. Good. Second part to this. Now, we have to imagine there's a 1 here. If you multiply anything by 1, it doesn't change the value, right? So you actually have to distribute this negative. So negative 1 times x. Someone else? Yeah. Negative x, good, or negative 1x. And then a negative 1 times a negative 4 would be you. Good. I'm going to combine our like terms. We have a 3x and a negative 1x. Put them together. And what other terms can I put together? Sylvia?
Positive 6 and positive 4.
Good. Positive 6 and positive 4. When we simplify this, 3x take away 1x is 6 plus 4. Good. Positive 10. And we are done because we have 2 terms that are unlike. We can't simplify this anymore.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.